That is right, ladies and gentlemen. It is you, it is me, it is NBWD, New Beginnings Window and Doors, Tri-State's premier window and door distributor. And it is Monday, which can only mean one thing. It is time to meet the team here at New Beginnings Window and Door. And today with us, we have Domenica Haines. Domenica, thank you for joining us on Meet the Team Monday.
Thank you for having me.
She is extremely nervous, so be kind in that comment section. Show her nothing but love like we do here. So Domenica, first question. These are really difficult questions. What do you do at New Beginnings?
What do I do?
You should speak up so everyone can hear you. This is not a hidden secret.
Okay, I do all of the operations and of everything in New Beginnings. So, all the back end stuff that nobody sees. And there's a lot to it. Do you want me to?
I mean, if you can be as specific or you can be, you know, as hidden as you want.
So I do everything from payroll, you know, HR stuff, taxes, anything to do with the government, scheduling, it goes on. Anything that is operations, I do. I manage, I oversee.
She does it all, ladies and gentlemen. She does it all. Now, would you rather work from home or work here in the office?
I like to work from home, but I don't mind coming in every now and then to see everybody.
It's a special treat when you come visit us. We either get to see you smiling or you yell at us, so it could be one of the other.
I don't yell.
If you had to choose, windows or doors? You have to choose windows or doors?
Doors.
Of course, okay. I expected that. Would you choose the beach or a lake?
Oh, the beach. Definitely the beach.
Okay. Who's more difficult to work with? The trio of Christopher, Jacob, and Toby, or me, Steve, and Ray?
That's not a fair question.
Your actual children or your work children?
I
said who's more difficult to work with, not who you love more, because we know it's the trio that you
probably my children, because they're family.
They are a little.
Yes.
Who's your favorite New Beginnings employee?
That is not. I don't have a new favorite. I don't have favorites.
I'm sure your husband will love to hear that.
These are unfair questions.
No, they're not. These are we are meeting our team. We're getting to know you. Do you have any nicknames we should be aware of?
No.
No nicknames.
No.
Okay.
I mean, my husband calls me mom, but that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any hidden talents?
No.
You have no hidden talents.
Hidden
Like
talents.
nothing makes you unique, makes you stand out amongst the crowd.
No.
Can you surf?
No.
Boogie board?
I can boogie board.
Okay.
I can sing, I guess.
You can sing.
Yeah, but I'm not singing.
You should sing.
No,
Come on.
No. Well, my husband says I have a nice voice.
Okay.
But that's it.
If we were doing karaoke, what would you sing?
Party in the USA by Miley Cyrus. That's my go-to karaoke
We'll make
song.
sure we play that at the office a couple of times. What is your favorite morning beverage?
Tea.
Tea.
Yes.
What's your favorite evening beverage?
My Zevia soda.
Okay.
Not a drinker.
Okay, that's fine. If you weren't doing New Beginnings, what would you be doing?
Oh my. I have no idea because I've been doing this for so long that I never really, I don't know. Sitting on a beach somewhere maybe? Is that a job?
It can be, if like probably like if you're like one of the people, like you can be a lifeguard and be on the beach.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
You could be a fisherman. You could just walk around with a metal detector. Like
I could do that. No, I like helping people. So I don't know. Maybe I would have been a social worker or something like that. I like helping.
Okay. Have you always thought you would be doing windows and doors?
No.
No, you didn't.
No, this was my husband's dream. I just came alongside him to help him.
So you didn't ever think, you always said from the beginning, like, I'm not doing, this isn't what I would be doing.
Oh, no.
I'm glad, okay. So
No,
I originally had you, my last question literally says I have you marked as a fraud on the bottom. But that is because I did my research, because I am an award-winning Hall of Fame journalist. So we're going to put this on the screen because we looked through your yearbook circa 1990.
I cannot believe
I don't do windows. And here she is, ladies and gentlemen, working for a window and door company. What high school did you go to?
I went to Our Lady of Lourdes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's a great photo from the yearbook there. So if anybody wants to bring us the hard copy, we're going to blow it up, put it in our beautiful showroom here. No, but see, and that's it. That's all the questions I have.
All right,
Nice and
perfect.
simple.
Very good.
So thank you for joining us on Meet the Team Monday. We will be back next Monday with another member of our team for you to meet. Until then, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, follow us on all the platforms of social media, and of course, above all else, don't forget to begin each day with a beautiful view. Oh, I should just let you see. Great chemistry right there. Good night, everyone.